Hello, darlings. You've all heard of Marilyn Monroe. Some of you know Bridget Bardot. Well, now it's time for the Cognac show. I said Cognac, ooh, ooh. I said Cognac, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm your bubbly blonde, fabulously dressed to impress.
Welcome back to Cognac's Corner and the Long Island Exchange.com, and I'm here with tonight's sponsor, Atlas Projects, and I'm talking to this lovely young lady who is going to introduce herself to the camera.
Hi, Nancy Ungarino from Atlas Projects.
Tell my audience about this event and why you decide to participate and become a sponsor.
Sure, absolutely, that's easy. Basically, STG is a very professional industry, and basically the professionals who are here are heads of their industry, a mature book of business. They are incredible in their fields. They're mavens. They're very knowledgeable, and also not only that, but the generosity of their spirit, unbelievable. Really, truly great. And in terms of sponsoring this event, getting people together, clients, contacts, potential clients on this great venue, it's a no-brainer. They're incredible. And Jed, awesome. Absolutely.
He's wonderful.
Jed is awesome. Absolutely. Truly getting people together, inspiring people, just challenging people to be more focused, to reach out. Wonderful.
Tell my audience about your company. Why should we all use your services?
Sure.
What's so special about Atlas Projects?
Sure. Atlas Projects is a tri-state commercial non-union construction company, and there are a million construction companies, and how we differentiate ourselves is by basically client communication and pricing structure. And basically when you hire us, you have our phone numbers, you're dealing with the owners, the partners, and people who are 24/7 invested emotionally and intellectually, financially in your project and in the company.
And they work endlessly, I would think 24 hours a day, all year round.
We never shut our phones off.
Wow.
And we're just incredible. Not because we say so or our moms say so, but because our clients say so. And that is our biggest selling point. It's calling our clients.
Now, your construction is it office buildings? Is it homes?
Yes,
is
commercial. All commercial, office, industrial, commercial, warehousing. Basically, we will come in and install a door for you to show you how we work, show you our pricing structure, and then basically we will also bid on the $10 million projects, retail, warehousing, office space.
Did you ever do like a mall?
We've done retail work, absolutely.
Yes,
and,
malls.
Retail work, which is Aldi's, Public Storage, the signage for Smith Haven Mall, basically anything that has to do with building a structure. Whether it's, like I said, a very small job, we'll get in just to, we'll show you what we can do, get a small foot in the door, and then blow it out, and just show you, and we can also build $10 million buildings.
Amazing, amazing. So gamut from very small to very big.
Yes,
What's the smallest project you ever did?
about 30,000. 30,000. But basically, say if like a Gap called us up and said 2 weeks ago and said, you know, we basically need this emergency service here. Can you fix the entrance to the door? You know, it'll be $1,800 or something like that. We're there to just show people what we can do and start from there. And that's the biggest thing we do.
Terrific. Tell my audience, where can we go to find out more information about your company?
Sure.
And how we can, you know,
Absolutely.
call you guys and do some work.
Absolutely. Basically, atlasprojectsinc.com, atlasprojectsinc.com. And in terms of current projects, what we've done in the past, how to reach us, what our philosophy is, that's the best way. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. You're wonderful. Thank you.
And we'll be back in a moment, dogs, and more interviews right here, right aboard the World Yacht. Keep watching. Peace, champagne, kisses. Welcome back. I'm Cognac Wellerlane, and we are aboard the Yacht, this wonderful World Yacht ship. And I'm here with the sponsor for tonight's event. She's the champagne sponsor. Introduce yourself to the camera, darling.
I'm Christine Lee, the owner of CW Selection, and today I brought sparkling wine from Spain and beautiful French rosé from south of France called Cognac.
Oh my God, I love it. You know I love pink champagne.
Oh, I know, and it's perfect for you.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. And this rosé is like a beautiful, it comes from a small village and the vineyards pass generation to generation for hundreds of years old in south of France. It's a very classic, dry, crisp, light and pleasant rosé that you can sit at a cafe in south of France, like a Cannes or what's the other Italian place?
Well, there's Cannes and there's Saint-Tropez.
Exactly.
And
Nice. That's the town I was thinking about.
And that's right now the Cannes Film Festival is going on.
Exactly.
And that's what everybody is drinking right before they step on the red carpet or the pink carpet. I have a pink carpet, and that's where everybody goes to be photographed before they go to the event. They're drinking pink cats.
Yeah, it complements the southern French cuisine, and also it's perfect for the occasion. It's classy and sophisticated.
Very sophisticated, darling. So tell my audience, why is it so sophisticated? What makes it so special? Why do pink champagne aficionados love it so much?
I think in France, I think it's the climate and their cuisine. I mean, during the summertime, French people, they just sit around in a cafe and sip French rosé all day and just enjoy the day and the lifestyle.
You love that lifestyle, don't you?
I do. Look.
So do I. Paris is a beautiful city. I've been to Paris.
Yeah, I love Paris.
And I've been to the Italian Riviera, but I've never been to the French Riviera. But that's my next spot.
Oh, you should be there, Cognac, definitely. You would love it. You would completely enjoy yourself.
Tell my audience the ingredients that's in this particular champagne.
This is made out of Grenache grape, and this Grenache grows very well in the warm climate of south of France. And these vineyards were built back in 1904 and 1905. So it's basically made out of Grenache, out of very, very old vines that make this wine very special.
Do you know of any celebrities that might be drinking this offhand?
You know, we just came out with this product. This is brand new, just landed in the U.S. 2 weeks ago. And I think, I'm from Los Angeles, Hollywood, so I think a lot of the celebrities
Give it
will
to
love
Paris Hilton, maybe.
Yeah, that'd be a
Kim
wonderful idea.
Kardashian.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
it's a very feline type of a drink, very feminine.
Yeah, exactly. What about Victoria's Secret models?
Wonderful.
And they're
Pour me some, darling. Pour me some.
absolute, my pleasure.
Yes. Now, if we want to find out more information about this particular champagne, this sparkling rosé pink hat, where can we go on the internet? Where can we find you?
You can go to CW Selection.
CWSelection.com?
Yes. Yes, .com.
Fabulous. Let's toast.
Toast for the wonderful occasion, World Yacht.
Delicious. Thank you.
It's a perfect. Acidity is balanced, but still you taste the fruit, and it's smooth, and it's very refreshing.
And very sexy.
Very sexy. Pink cat. How much more? I mean,
How more sexier can you get, darling? One more time, the website.
CW Selection. Thank you so much. Yeah.
And we'll be back in a moment, darlings, with more interviews right here, right aboard the World Yachts at Pier 81. Pink champagne kisses.
Hello, darlings. You've all heard of Marilyn Monroe. Some of you know Bridget Bardot. Well, now it's time for the Cognac show. I said Cognac, ooh, ooh. I said Cognac, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm a bubbly blonde, fabulously dressed to impress. One of a kind girl. This has been a Crybaby Productions, darlings.